In other news that's coming in, a one-day session of the Punjab Assembly is currently underway with strict protocols in place after, remember, 29 of its legislators were in fact found to be COVID positive. Both Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh and Punjab Assembly Speaker Rana KP Singh on Thursday have appealed to all the legislators who had come in contact with COVID positive netas to avoid attending the one-day Vidhan Sabha session. Those are the latest updates now coming in. This is a one-day session under the COVID, as 29 of the MLAs in Punjab Assembly have been tested positive, and therefore there was also an appeal that had come in from the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh and the Assembly Speaker to follow all the social distancing norms, follow all the COVID protocols that have been put in place, and also urge the legislators who had come in contact with the COVID positive netas to in fact avoid attending the one-day session. Let me bring in my colleague Gurpreet for further updates on this. Gurpreet, what is the purpose of the one-day assembly session in Punjab at a time where we're looking at 29 of the netas have been now tested COVID positive?
Well, that it appears that there's some constitutional pressure on the government, and that's why they have held one-day session in Punjab. And at the same time, they wanted to give a green signal to some of the bills in the House, and that's why they had called this the Vidhan Sabha session. At the same time, if we can talk about the COVID, the way that 29 MLA they have already been infected, the session is going on for a one day. At the same time, what we have learned from the sources, only 54 out of 117 MLAs they had been allowed to go inside to attend this session which is going on. At the same time, that Shhromani Akali Dal, they had clearly given this statement. They haven't gone inside. They say that they aren't going to inside the Vidhan Sabha session, keeping in view of the health protocol and the way the country is facing the crisis. They did not go. Only a few handful people of Aam Aadmi Party, they had gone inside to attend the Vidhan Sabha session, and the session is going on. At the same time, if we can talk about the situation in state, that we have seen that 29 MLAs, they have already been tested positive, and what we have learned from the different sources that most of them, they were present in the legislator party meetings. That means that everybody was in touch with them. And yesterday the health minister, he has given very clear cut statement by saying that those who have already come in contact of the infected people, they should not come on the moral grounds. And even the government, they did not allow the people, and even the Chief Minister of Punjab, he has also given the same statement that those who have come in contact of the infected people, they should stay away. But this the whole session is going on, and it has started from 11 a.m. onwards, and it is still continuing in Vidhan Sabha.
All right, Gurpreet, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.